When patients tell me they feel like they look older than they are, one of the first areas I evaluate is the eyes. Loose eyelid skin and under eye bags can add years to your appearance, but there are highly effective solutions that can help restore a brighter, more youthful look. I'm Dr. Stile, and today I'd like to explain how eyelid lift surgery works and who may be a good candidate. Blepharoplasty is a procedure designed to address excess skin, puffiness, and age-related changes around the upper and lower eyelids. For the upper eyelids, the procedure involves placing a carefully concealed incision within the natural eyelid crease. Through this incision, excess skin can be removed, wrinkles can be softened, and fat can be repositioned to create a smoother, more youthful contour. For the lower eyelids, the incision is typically placed just below the lash line. This allows me to reduce or reposition under eye fat and tighten the area to improve the appearance of eye bags and puffiness. Every treatment plan is customized based on your unique anatomy and aesthetic goals. Recovery from eyelid surgery is generally straightforward. Most patients experience some swelling and bruising during the first week and are able to return to work and normal daily activities within about 7 days. Physical exercise is usually resumed after several weeks once healing is well underway. You may be a good candidate for blepharoplasty if you're bothered by drooping eyelids, excess eyelid skin, under eye bags, or a tired appearance around the eyes. For some patients, combining an eyelid lift with a brow lift can create even more comprehensive rejuvenation. If you're considering eyelid lift surgery in Las Vegas and would like to learn which treatment options are right for you, I invite you to schedule a personalized consultation. Together, we'll discuss your concerns, evaluate your anatomy, and develop a treatment plan designed to help you look refreshed, rested, and naturally rejuvenated. Contact our office today to schedule your consultation and take the first step toward brighter, more youthful looking eyes.